Okay, so like for example, I can have a question like that. I say given ST is equal to ln 2 plus e to the power x minus e to the power 0.15x. T, sorry, T. Okay, where T is from 0 to 22 seconds. This is meter, okay? So part A, find the exact initial position. So what does this question want? Okay, can someone tell me? Yeah, T equal to 0. So what am I trying to find? When you say position, yeah, you are talking about displacement, okay? Okay, now, so I find S 0. So ln 2 plus e to the power 0, take away e to the power 0. So this is ln e to the power 0 is 1. So this is ln 3 minus 1. So this is the exact value. So now, can you tell me at the beginning, the object is at the left or at the right of the origin? Huh? Yes, because this is greater than 0. Is ln 3 minus 1 to the right of the origin. So you must know how to interpret the meaning of displacement position, okay? So initial, when you see the word initial, T equal to 0, okay? That is something that for kinematic that you must know. Okay, second part. Sketch the graph of ST. Okay, everyone take out your calculator and sketch the graph. I told you already, when sketch the graph, we give you 3 marks. It means we need you to put down the important thing and be careful of the domain. Can someone send your sketch to the group? Sketch means on the paper. I don't want to see on the graphic calculator. Someone send the sketch. Arya, someone scan the sketch, please. You are too slow. To the group. Hello, quick. Hello. What take you so long? You just key in the function, set the domain, do a zoom feed. Hey, are you in my class? Huh? Faster. Graph. The graph that you have. Hello, are you doing your work? Rachel, have you got the graph? Am I talking to the wall? Why you cannot get the graph, is it? Keying in. Why it takes so long to key in? Okay. Agree with Brandon graph? Agree with Brandon graph? Okay. I disagree. Where is your starting point, Brandon? 0 when x equal to when t equal to 0, and your that one shouldn't be x. Your graph shouldn't be x. It should be t. Sum up. Look carefully, class. These are the minor thing that the examiner will look at it. Come on. So be very careful. Yeah, Brandon graph is correct, but the way you label. So this is your ST label in meter. This is the T in second. Okay, then the graph go origin. The graph goes some sort like this. There's an inflection point someplace somewhere, then it go. Then it cut here, someplace somewhere. Then Okay, so the turning point is 12.64, 12.6, then comma 5.98. Correct? And okay, this is your, when the displacement equal to 0, that is at 19.9596, 19.9, okay, 20. Round up to three significant figure, 20, okay? 20, yeah, then this is 0. This is 22, and what is 22? 20, negative 5 point something. Okay, 5 point something, okay? So when x equal to 0, what is your that one? You have to write down. This is your ln 3 minus 1. Yeah. Okay, you look at Amelie photo. Okay. Yep. So that will be the perfect. But still, you see the habit. This habit. Can or not? Okay. So hello. Got it? So then the following question, what they can do is, this one I purposely do it like that because then after that part, C, they can say sketch, or I should say draw, not sketch, draw the sign diagram for VT. Okay, velocity time graph. So how to draw the sign diagram? So how to draw a sign diagram? So now you start to draw the sign diagram. Then you send your sign diagram for BT for me. This one you should be able to do very quickly because you have the ST graph with it. Quick, must be someone else, not Brandon or Amalia, other people. Hurry up. You don't have answer. I'm not going to proceed to the next one. Hello. Should I name? Okay. Uma, give me this. Okay. Uma, do you see there is a domain So you see, if this is 2 mark, Uma, you only get 1 mark. Okay, so you see, you send me your sign diagram, I can give you the feedback straight away. So to draw the sign diagram of VT, so I must make sure, yes, it must start from 0 and at 22. Why I choose like that? Because to me, this model fit. So then here is your 12.6. So the ST graph is going up because, so VT is S prime T. So here is positive, here is negative. Hello? Okay, then from here, I can ask further question. Find the values of T when the object is moving to the left. Object is moving to the left. Okay. So what is your answer? This one you should be able to give me the answer straight away. Yeah. Yeah, Chi-En, what do you think? Find the values of time of T or timer when the object is moving to the left.
Is it less than 0? So that
T can never be less than 0, Chi-En.
I think moving to the left is between 12.6 and 22 seconds.
Yeah, so that is the correct answer. Because moving to the left, that means the velocity is negative. Correct? The velocity is negative. Yeah. So you get 1 mark. And I also can ask question like, find the time when the object is at the right of the origin. Okay. So what is the answer? So what is the answer? Jiaxing. During this 22 seconds. Yes. So that means when the displacement is positive, that is from 0 to 19.97, that is 20.0 seconds. Right? We round up. Okay. Then next, what can I ask? I can also ask, can I move? This is going to be a tough one. Okay, then, correct, my labeling. F. Okay, F. Find the exact time when the displacement of the object is increasing at the greatest rate. Okay, so if you go back to the graph, you will see there is an inflection point somewhere here, correct, for ST graph. So that means you are supposed to find this time. Am I right? So which means that you are supposed to look at this question is telling you are supposed to look at the inflection point of ST. So that means it will be S double prime T equal to 0, which means acceleration equal to 0, correct? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity, which is the rate of change and rate of change of displacement. Yeah. Okay. So now you have to do the double differentiation, second derivative. Okay. Enjoy doing it. So you have to start with your ST. At the beginning, it looked very difficult, but please be patient and do, and it can end up be very simple. Just follow the rule and do. Okay. Differentiate again. It end up to become very simple. Trust me, I've done it already. So this one I will give you exact value. This one will give you 4 marks. Whoever done? Ethan, show me your answer. Show it to the group. After you're done already, you can use your graphic calculator to check, see whether you get the right answer by plotting the graph of y1, dy dx of y1. Hello. Okay, Anna. I've done something wrong. I've done something very, very wrong. Okay, never mind, never mind. Continue. Continue. Let's see whether we can find 3 prime AT. That's why I see how come my answer just now a bit different from the graphic calculator. Right? Let's see. Maybe we can. Okay. You cannot solve algebraically. You have to use solver to get the answer. You can't find the exact time. Okay? For this case. Just now I've done something very, very wrong. That's why I can get the answer. I can get the exact value. So this one you can't, you have to use the solver, but they can ask you to show algebraically lah. Show algebraically. Ethan, you can you send your differentiation one? My U and V. Yeah, you send your whatever you differentiate and whatever you send it.
No, not yet. Sending.
You send to the group, then we double check. So you have to use a solver to get the answer. Okay, I make a mistake just now. My U become the V. So you see, during exam, you better be very careful, but they can ask you to show algebraically. Okay, you do until here, then it's impossible to solve, correct? So you all look at mine, I solve until this. So you find your VT using the simple rule. Then after that, you find your AT. One part you have to use quotient rule. The other part using simple rule, correct? Then you can solve this using your solver. Okay, if need to solve algebraically, if possible, correct? You have a look at mine. I will bring over, then you try to expand it and try to solve it. Yeah. Okay. So it's possible they will come up with things like that. Okay, now can you get this answer from the graph? Sorry, for mine. The one. What I can do is, instead of say find the exact time, show algebraically how to obtain the time when the object is moving at the fastest rate. Is the displacement is increasing at the fastest rate. So when you show algebraically, you have to show like that. Okay, so everyone, you understand the how we obtain the AT? Hello? Hello? Are you okay? How we obtain this, Ethan, the bottom had to be squared. The bottom had to be squared. Yours got square or not, Ethan?
No, I forgot.
Yeah. So you see, so must during exam, we must pray hard. We must pray hard. Ask God to help us not to make mistake like that. So I don't have to show step by step. So it's given already. Okay, 0.15x. Okay, so you use solver when you use, or you use graph. Do you know how to use graph and get the answer or not? You all know how to use graph and get the answer, You go to your Y1 is your ST, correct? Your Y2, you go to N derived. Okay, then you will get the graph of this one as like that. So you find the turning point here. You get 3 point something. You try and see. You go second trace, you go for the maximum. Go to the second graph. Because you must get the time. I want to, based on here, we want to so You get the time here is, so AT equal to 0 when T equal to 3.828 seconds, correct? So from here, I can ask you to, okay, look at, from here, I can ask you to find the range of time when the speed is increasing. Okay. So when we talk about speed increasing, what we need to do is you have to bear in mind, you have to have two sign diagrams. What are the two sign diagrams? One is the VT that we have already just now. .12.6, okay? 12.6. And here is positive, here is negative. Okay, then you must have your AT sign diagram. And we know it's 3.828. 3.83. Okay, so, hello? So here is positive and here is negative. Obvious, am I right? You can get it from the sign from the ST sign diagram because this is convex and here is concave. Hello, are you okay? Okay, so now, when is the speed increasing? When both VT and AT have the same sign. So that is something that you have to remember. So same sign here, this time. And another region is here. All right? So therefore, you say T greater than 0, less than 3.83, or T greater than 12.6, less than 22. Are you clear? So this is another part that you have to. Then the last part will be finding the total distance. I think everyone will know how to do that. Yep. I find that nowadays they give you the function to differentiate, correct? It's not as easy as last time, especially on the application side. Okay? So anything about motion in a straight line or kinematic that you want me to go further? That's what I can think of. The important part. Hello? Anything else? The total distance travel, I believe everyone know how to do. What about different sign? Understood? Hello? Different sign means what? Speed is decreasing. So you see, max is like that. One direction is like that. The other one will be the opposite. Will that be okay? Okay. Anything else? Okay. I just want to test you on this about total distance travel. Okay. Find the distance traveled in the 12 second. Thirteenth second. 13th second. First 13 second and 13 second is different story. Yeah. Okay, do you understand this? Can someone explain what do you mean by 13 second? Hello? Can someone explain, please? Wen Xuan, can you explain what do you mean by 13 second? Wen Xuan, are you there? Wen Xuan.
Oh, yes, miss.
Huh? What do you mean by 13th second? Okay, class. This is called first second. This is called second. Are you clear? So 13 second means, are you clear? This is called 13th second. So why I purposely choose this? Do you know why? So that means if I say 13 second, you have to find S12. You have to find S12.6 because it stop and turn. You have to find S13. Are you clear? So can you please use your calculator and quickly get the answer? Alpha trace. Put in 12. I got 5.9504. Okay, we try to be as accurate as possible. Okay, then we put 12.6. So this is 5.9806. Okay, then we go 13. You got 5.9713. So look, that means it goes like that. From here, 5.95. It moves to here, then it moves back to here. So the total distance traveled will be 5.9806. Take away 5.9504 plus 5.9806. Take away 5.9713. Then you get the answer. Are you clear? I know this sounds a bit unreasonable, but I'm talking about a particle, so anything is possible. Are you okay? Hello? So be very careful if the question set like that. If first 13 seconds, that means from 0 to 13. So you have to find S0, you still have to find S12.6 and S13. Can or not? Okay. If I set this in your SAT, good or not? My August intake, I give them how to differentiate all this. Because they have 1.5 years to learn. So I try to give them more detail, more difficult. Hello? Okay. So I think I almost cover everything on kinematic, okay? You cannot direct S13 minus S12. The reason is because it got stop and turn. Stop and turn. So you have to be very careful. Whenever involves stop and turn, you better count the displacement when it stops. If it doesn't stop. If it stop and continue, then it's okay. This is called a motion diagram. So this is your ST. Your origin is somewhere here. Okay? So no more question? Any more? Okay, no more, then we call it a day. Okay, not? Okay, thank you, class.